Here we're going to go over how to add a divider into your funnel page. So to start, we're going to go ahead and click on Add Element. You can select the divider in one of two ways. You can go to the search bar and type in divider and select it right here. Or you can scroll down to the block section and click on divider here. Now we're going to go into some customizations. On the left-hand side, under element and name and title, you can change the name of your divider here. I'm just going to keep it the same for now. The padding, you can change the padding on the top or the bottom of your funnel by either toggling this little bar here or typing in a number. You can also change the margins that you would like on the top or the bottom of this divider. So that's going to change the margins on the top or the bottom of this orange box here. Same thing, you can toggle with the slider, or you can type in a number here as well. Underneath, you can select the color that you would like your divider to be, either by choosing one of these colors or adding a custom color code here. You can align your divider by selecting either left, center, or right. Width of your divider here. So here it'll be 100%, 40%, etc. You can change the width of your divider. So that's going to be how thick your divider is by clicking these here as well. We can go up to 60 points if you so choose. I'm going to keep it down about 3. And then here you can select a style. So you can do solid, dashed, or dotted as well. Under advanced options, you can toggle on or off the desktop view or mobile view. You can enter a custom class here if you have one. And then if you're happy with that and you want to select the CSS, just copy this here and then paste it where you want it.